I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's Ninja Squad shout out goes to Helen and also Hayley. So thank you so much ladies for commenting below. Leave a comment if you want a chance to be featured in my next video. I'm going to start off by sharing the products, and today I will be using Sass Sister, Pink Pop. I'll also be using Pretty Pink because I want to do a really pink fun design. And to break that up, I'm going to be using White Out, Negligee for the base, and Champagne is just going to add some like glitter shimmery details. I will be sure to list all of the products down below in the description box, so if you're interested then definitely go and check them out. So I'm going to start off by applying Negligee as the base for this design, and I do go ahead and apply 2 coats of this, and I make sure to cure for a full 60 seconds in the light. Once the base colour is cured, I'm going to come in with my detailer brush, which is from the 5-piece set, and I'm just going to come in with the pink colours, the 3 pink shades, just at random, starting with the darkest colour first out of the 3, and create random lines from the free edge going up to the centre of the nail. And we're not bothered about how neat or precise these are, we really want an abstract finish to this, kind of a natural flow to the lines, so don't try and make them perfect or finish all at the same time. I'm just alternating between all 3 of the pink colours to start with, and notice I haven't cured the gel between these colour changes as of yet. I'm letting it stay wet because this is just going to be the base for the next part of this design where we come in and layer it up. So I'm just coming in with Pretty Pink, which is the really light pastel pink, and just swiping those up from the free edge with a light hand, making sure to apply that polish thinly. You don't want it to pool in one area because that can cause bubbling or kind of uneven curing when you come to cure that in the light. So now that I'm happy with the base of this, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And I'm then coming in and doing the same process again. However, this time I'm not going to overlap the colours too much on this segment. I'm going to apply the colours separately just so we get some more crisp lines in there. Again, they are not super even or like super straight or anything like that, but we wanted to keep the definition of those colours present so that we can see the transitions between them. I'm just coming in there and adding some of the white gel polish, and that's just going to create a nice stark kind of difference between the colours. Again, you can be a little bit more selective where you are placing the white. You want to kind of create a little bit of white throughout the whole look. Again, it doesn't really matter if you put it in the wrong place, and I say that loosely because there isn't really a wrong place with this design, so just have fun and be free with it. I go ahead and cure the white and the other pink colours on this layer in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with Champagne, which is a shimmery silver, kind of silver. It's not really silver, it's like a champagne colour I guess, but it's not gold. It's just absolutely stunning, and I'm coming in and just adding some lines onto that design area where we've been applying those colours prior, and I'm just making sure again that I spread those evenly across the nail so that it's well balanced and proportioned, and so that I have plenty of that sparkle running through this abstract tip. Now that I'm happy with the placement of this colour, I'm going to go ahead and cure for a full 60 seconds in my light. And also guys, I just wanted to let you know that this would look gorgeous in any colour. It doesn't have to be pink, you could do it in the golds, blues, greens, any colour you are going for, just try it out. It would look gorgeous in an array of colours. And even if you did rainbow colours, that again would look absolutely stunning. So the whole design was cured in the light for a full 60 seconds, and now I'm coming in with my top coat. This top coat is super gloss, but you can also go ahead and use the gel polish top coat as well. Super gloss is a no wipe top coat. I'm going to go ahead and cure this in the light for a full 60 seconds, and then this is the final look, guys. So I really hope you've enjoyed this short abstract demo. I love creating these single tip designs and sharing them with you guys. So if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, let us fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.